Freaking out.
Bring it back.
They have been angry all evening.
I think they have a nest somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
They're protecting.
They have their nest on the bushes.
Oh, okay.
They're very protective over where they stay.
Bushes over there?
Yeah, the bushes. Then they have some nests around,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
These are mean right here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, I'm smarter than you.
Oh, God.
That is not good. Don't run, sweetie, don't run, because they'll go right after you.
Oh. Let me get that.
Get him, Lou.
Get him, Lou.
Get him. Get the duck. Get the duck. Get it.
Oh, it's a duck.
Get the duck.
Get the duck. Oh.
Get it.
Don't bring me to it.
God, they are just blocking people like there's no tomorrow. This is Louie's balloon.
He's trying to get the baby. Ooh.
He sounds pissed.
He's the one who's got the broken leg. You shouldn't be so pissed. You probably got into a fight with someone.
Oh. I mean, they must be hungry or something. She's screaming.
Look at that.
Look at this one. Oh, what do you want from me, duck?
I bet the flies in
What do you want from me, duck?
I like
Look at his feathers cocking up. Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Louie! Louie!
Oh, my God.
Louie!